In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a new project in Lovable AI. If you've got an idea and a few minutes, you'll have a working app before you know it. No coding required, just clear instructions and a couple of clicks. First, log into Lovable AI. Head to the website, sign in with your account, and you'll arrive on the dashboard. This is your home base, where every new build begins and where your projects will be saved automatically for easy access later. On the dashboard, look for the large prompt box in the center. This is the starting point for every new project. Think of it as your creative command line. You tell Lovable what you want, and it does the heavy lifting. Click inside the prompt box and type a simple app idea. Keep it short and clear. For example, you can write, "Build a simple to-do list app where users can add and delete tasks." Then press enter or send. If you're following along and need the website, there's a link at the top of the description so you can jump right in on your own device. Lovable will get to work immediately. Behind the scenes, it creates the app's layout, sets up basic functionality, and prepares a clean project structure. This usually takes just a moment. While it builds, avoid refreshing the page and let the process complete so everything wires up correctly. When the build finishes, you'll see a live preview of your new app. You can click around and test the basic features right away. Your project is saved automatically, and you can reopen it anytime by going to Projects and then Recent. This makes it easy to pick up where you left off, even if you switch devices. From here, updates are as simple as chatting. Type what you want changed, and Lovable will apply it. Try things like add an edit button, change the colors to blue, or make the app mobile friendly. It's best to make one clear request at a time so you can see each change and adjust as needed. If something isn't quite right, refine your instruction and send it again. Lovable responds quickly. And that's it. Starting a new project in Lovable AI is really as simple as describing your idea. You bring the vision, and Lovable turns it into a working app. Don't forget, the link to the website is at the top of the description so you can get started today. Thanks for watching.